In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot and potentially resolve missing ChatGPT conversation history. This can be a common issue, but with a few easy steps, we can try to bring that history back and get you on track. Let's jump right in and take this step by step to make sure you've done everything necessary to restore your conversation records. First, you'll want to start by opening ChatGPT. Simply head over to chat.openai.com in your web browser. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. Make sure you're using the correct account, as your chat history is tied to your login. After you've logged in, the next thing you need to check is the settings associated with your chat history. Navigate to the bottom left corner of the ChatGPT interface, where you'll see your profile icon. Give that a click, and from the menu that appears, select Settings. After that, go to Data Controls. Here, you want to ensure that the chat history and training setting is turned on. This option allows ChatGPT to save your conversations, enabling you to access your chat history. If this setting is turned off, your conversations won't be stored, and that's likely why they might be missing. Once you've confirmed your settings, the next step is to refresh your browser. Go ahead and click the Reload button on your browser's toolbar. This might seem simple, but it often helps refresh the connection and display your chat history correctly. However, if reloading the page doesn't solve the problem and your chats are still not showing up, try logging out and back in. This can sometimes resolve session-related issues and refresh your access to stored data. If you've tried refreshing and logging back in without any success, the problem might be related to your browser. A simple and effective troubleshooting step is to clear your browser's cache. Old cached data can sometimes cause display problems or data retrieval issues, so clearing the cache can help reset the session with a clean slate. If you're unsure how to clear your cache, a quick search specific to the browser you're using will guide you through it. As a final attempt to get your conversation history back, you could switch to a different web browser. Sometimes certain features work better in one browser compared to another due to how they handle scripts and extensions. Try accessing ChatGPT with a browser you don't normally use or one you have recently updated. By following these steps, you should be closer to resolving any issues with accessing your ChatGPT conversation history. Don't worry if it seems a bit technical. With a bit of patience, you'll be navigating with confidence. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or further issues, feel free to leave a comment below.